Good morning, dear learners. Myself Yogesh Kanade. In previous lecture, we have seen the drugs which are used in treatment of tuberculosis caused by Mycobacterium species. In today's lecture, we are going to see the second part, that is the drugs which are used in treatment of leprosy, which is also caused by a Mycobacterium leprae. The drugs which are used in treatment of leprosy, which has been caused by Mycobacterium leprae, are known as antileprotic agents or antileprotic drugs. Example: solapsone, clofazimine, thiambutocin, dapsone, etc. Classification: it is mainly classified into two classes. The first class, the drugs containing a sulfone group, and the second class, drugs not containing the sulfone group. The first class, sulfones. Example: dapsone, solapsone. Second one, non-sulfones, are further classified into five classes. Let us see one by one. Phenazine derivatives, clofazimine, thiosemicarbazone derivatives, thiambutocin, thioureas, thiacetazone, antibiotics, rifampicin, streptomycin, anti-inflammatory drugs, example aspirin, prednisolone. The first drug, that is dapsone. If you see the structure of dapsone, you will see that this SO2, this is your sulfone group. As per classification, dapsone belonging to the class of sulfone. Sulfone group, that is SO2, it is a sulfone group. If you see the sulfone group at both the side, let us see the first side. At this side a benzene ring is present, and at para position amino group is present. In the same way, at the second part also benzene ring is present, and at para position amino group is present. Therefore, what will be the chemical name? Give the numbering in such a way that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. The chemical name will be, first one, 4,4 dash diamino diphenyl sulfone. दोघा साइडला 4 dash amino group, therefore 4 dash diamino. Don't phenyl rings, so therefore diphenyl, and the basic group, that is your sulfone. Second one, bis. I have already told you bis means the same. Bis comma 4 amino phenyl sulfone. That is the chemical name of dapsone. Properties: dapsone occurs as white or creamy white crystalline powder. It is freely soluble in ethanol and in acetone, very slightly soluble in water and in solutions of dilute mineral acids. Stability storage: it is affected by light, therefore store in well closed light resistant containers. It is used in treatment of lepromatous and tuberculoid types of leprosy. Official preparation: dapsone tablet, which is official near IP and BP. Brand names: Dubronox, Noafone, etc. Then the second drug, that is solapsone. Solapsone is a prodrug. Prodrug means after administration of solapsone in our body, it is converted into an active form. And what is the active form of solapsone? That is dapsone is an active form of solapsone. Properties: it is white powder, odorless, it is freely soluble in water, practically insoluble in organic solvents. Uses and stability storage same as under dapsone. Official preparation: solapsone injection BP, solapsone tablet BP. Brand names: sulfetrone, that is the trade name or brand name of solapsone. Next drug, clofazimine. Clofazimine occurs as dark red crystals or reddish brown fine powder, odorless. It is soluble in chloroform, slightly soluble in ethanol, very slightly soluble in ether, practically insoluble in water. It is used in treatment of leprosy. It is a stable compound, therefore stored in well-closed containers. Official preparation: clofazimine capsules IPVP. Brand name: clofazine, Clofaz, Hansiprene are your trade names. And the last drug, that is thiambutocin. Thiambutocin occurs as white or creamy white crystalline powder, odorless. It is soluble in chloroform and in acetone, practically insoluble in water. Stability storage: it is affected by light, therefore store in well closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of leprosy. Official preparation: thiambutocin tablet, official in your IP and BP. Brand names: SIPA 1906, that is a trade name. Here we complete your topic, that is antimicrobial agents. For your annual exam point of view, there is a question: define and classify antimicrobial agents. In this question, you have to write down both the definition. The drugs which are used in treatment of tuberculosis and leprosy are known as antimicrobial agents, and in classification you have to write down classification of anti-tubercular agents as well as classification of anti-leprotic agents. You will give the first heading in classification, give the heading anti-tubercular agents, write down the classification of it. Give the second heading anti-leprotic agents and write down the classification of anti-leprotic agents. And in drug, the structures of isoniazid, pyrazinamide, para-aminosalicylic acid and dapsones are very important. Thank you.